So glad to be back in the forest, feeling the spongy loam under my feet, bark so rough against my hands. Sticky sap. The yellow-green canopy with light softly filtering through to the forest floor. The smell. This forest has been here for centuries. Stay in touch with nature. Go experience. You will soothe your soul in the wilderness. Heading to the beach, feeling the temperature drop, smelling the salt in the air. Suddenly, there's so much space. All sand and sea and sky. The glittering path going out to the horizon. Feeling the heat radiating from the sand. The sound of the waves. Stay in touch with nature. Go experience. You will soothe your soul in the wilderness. Heading out to sea for over an hour. Suddenly, there's so much commotion, all the gulls dive bombing into the water. Then a tail pops up, a fin, a spout shooting water into the air. I see an eye. These whales are so magnificent. I am humbled. Stay in touch with nature. Go experience. You will soothe your soul in the wilderness. Stay in touch with nature. Go experience. You will soothe your soul in the wilderness.